Hi guys, Mario here. I'm gonna show you guys how to prep a pomegranate. First thing you'll need is a beautiful pomegranate. Now I'm gonna cut into the pomegranate. What you wanna do is insert your knife, use your thumb and your hand and rotate the pomegranate around the knife. So the knife doesn't move, the knife stays still and you're actually rotating the pomegranate. Next step is to use that knife as leverage and go ahead and take off the pomegranate's head, if you will. Just like that. One thing you'll notice is the pomegranates are in sections or segments. So you can see these border walls, if you will. What you want to do is insert your chef's knife right into that line and go down to the bottom of the pomegranate. And you follow suit around the entire pomegranate, find that border wall and break it. No pun intended. Now that we went ahead and made that, those incisions, use your thumb and peel open a segment just like this. Now cup with your other hand. That way you're gonna catch the seeds. And the reason I do this is so the pomegranate seeds doesn't strike the bowl hard and burst. Now you take that wooden spoon, and this could be metal, doesn't have to be wood, and you're gonna strike the back end or the skin side of the pomegranate very gently, just like that. And you can kind of start hearing the pomegranates beginning to release. I like to move the pomegranates around and gently strike it all around. And you can see the pomegranates coming out of its shell. Just like that. Okay, that's one. So now all you have to do is eyeball these pith, and now you can throw these into salads, you can throw them into yogurt. These guys are loaded with antioxidants. They're absolutely great for you.